Hello and welcome to my room tour of the Conrad Suite at the Conrad Downtown New York. This beautiful hotel is located in Battery Park City with stunning views of the Hudson and is about a 5-minute walk from One World Trade Observatory. We had the opportunity to stay here the night before a cruise and really enjoyed our stay. First, you'll see a large separated living area with a table and chairs, a couch, and television. And next we have the half bath. There was a ton of storage in this room with these 2 closets in the hallway. This is also where you'd find ironing board, and extra bedding. Next, we'll head into the bedroom, where you'll find a great king-size bed, a large TV, and even more storage. Next, we'll head into the bathroom. This bathroom is fantastic, and it might have the best shower I've ever been in, with multiple jets and a rainfall shower head in the ceiling. Next, you'll see a double vanity sink, private water closet, and a large jacuzzi bathtub, and a full-length mirror on the wall. Now we'll head into the dining and kitchen area. This room has a separate entrance that opens into the bar area. You'll see the coffee maker, water bottle filling station, sink, and here we have a drawer style mini bar as well as a drawer freezer below it. Now lastly, you'll see there's a large dining area with another flat panel TV and seating for 8 people. This would be a great place for either to eat a meal or to have a meeting. And that concludes the tour of our Conrad Suite. Thanks for watching.